Hey guys, it's Canadian Pyro. So for today's video, we've got another big cake here. This one's 90 shots, and it's not very tall, so I'm not sure how high the shots will go, but I really like the high shot count there. And there's lots of effects in this one. So I didn't tell you the name. Thunderstorm, or Thunderstorms. And then it's by hand, so it's got this little label here. So 45 shots, pretty loud. 30 meters up, so we might get some height on there. Get the firing order. Nice fast tempo. So yeah, so whirls, whistles, crackle, flowers, fish, star, silver, red, and green stars, turbulines. I guess that's French. But yeah, lots of effects in there. So yeah, let's go test that thing out. Yeah, it looks like that inside. All the same bore.
Coming up.
That was great.